Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to pin and unpin the message on WhatsApp. So you will simply tap on the chat you want to and you will simply select one of the message you want to pin. You will simply tap and press hold. At the top corner there are three dots. You will simply tap on three dots. So here is the pin option. So here is the option of you can unpin at any time. Choose how long your pin lasts. So you can select 7 days, 24 hours or 30 days. So we will select 24 hours and you will simply tap on pin. So look, the message have been pinned. By clicking the message, you will simply scroll up automatically. So this is the process of pin and unpin the message on WhatsApp.